Ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute pleasure to welcome on stage to Vivo Saima, powered by Himalaya Purifying Face Wash and Bosch Washing Machine, a man who's etched in the history of Indian cinema as the formidable Ballala Devan. Let's give it up for the dashing Rana Daggubati!
Music cake and dancer. Okay. Everyone's wondering what the hell I'm doing here, no? I know that. Usually I'm here when I'm paid for it, even though I'm not paid, for one simple reason. There are really two very special guests. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's really an honor and pleasure to be here at the Saima Awards. Rana, you've been too kind, by inviting us, helping us. But most of all, I think we're really proud to come and celebrate the best of the South Indian movies. All you guys are here to celebrate each other's work, celebrate the best that has happened this year, and we can't be happier to be here and join you guys in this celebration. So thank you so much for inviting us.
South Indian cinema.
Thank you very much. I like the way you said welcome back.
Yes.
So how do I say good evening in whichever language you
Which
like?
language do you want to say?
Let's try first Telugu.
Telugu?
Huh.
Just say Andariki Namaskaram. Andariki Namaskaram.
Andariki Namaskaram. Now let's try Tamil.
Yellarku Vanakkam. Yellarku Vanakkam.
Yellarkar Vanakkam.
Panchal Diskarandamma.
I think a dhoti is going to go very well with my gown.
Dhoti is a male thing, so I'm just going to
Also, I don't get one. So what's my part? What do I do in this? How do I fit into this industry here?
In South India, we have shy heroines.
Okay.
You have to act shy.
I can do
You
that.
want to do that?
I've got that.
Ranbir, do you know how to tie a dhoti, brother? Yeah. Wait, it's not only you. I'm going to call these fine gentlemen, Mr. Sivakarthikeyan, to show you how to tie a dhoti. Mr. Nivin Pauly. And Mr. Madhavan. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting these very fine awards, Vivo Saima for Critics Best Actor, and the winner is...
So the Saima for Critics Best Actor Tamil, it's a complete honor and pleasure for me to announce, goes to Madhavan for Irudi Sutru.
Thank you very much, Saima, for this award. I keep forgetting it every time because this man is really dear to me and I take it for granted, but I swore that I will start my thank you this time by thanking you, Sashi, the backbone of this film, the man who's bore the brunt of every arrow shot at this film and every naysayer proved wrong. Thanks for being there, Sashi, really. And I'm feeling really good that I'm able to acknowledge this in front of everybody. To Ritika, the other lady by me, and this woman who gave 4 years of her life, and a very important 4 years, from 17 to 21, for just this film. And of course, she's won all the awards that's possibly, there in every category for this film. So you make me proud. To Sudha, the director of this film, who's been an extraordinary pillar of strength and a horrible taskmaster, but has been the wind beneath all our wings. Sudha, you will be seeing this. So hey, thank you. And finally to my wife, Sarita, who's again bore the brunt of all my stupidity while I was shooting this film. Thank you very much. I'm very privileged to be here with you guys today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rana. A big thank you for all of you for inviting us today. I hope you love and luck. And also I want to give a big shout out to Usha ji, who was so amazing tonight. I think she's waiting in the wings. Can we have Usha ji back on stage right now?
Asked if any of the ladies in front would
Thank you, Didi. I must say, Ranveer and Katrina, and I am a diehard fan of yours. And I was so disappointed that you didn't win the National Award for Rockstar. But every year, I keep my fingers crossed, and I say that Ranveer Kapoor is one actor who rightly deserves the Best Actor National Award for every film of his. So keep continuing the brilliant work. I'm sure Papaji and your father and everyone in the family, they must be so proud of you.